guys, welcome back to Sunshine Medical Kitchen. Today we are back making another new kind of empanada. So we made the traditional chicken empanadas before. Now this time we're going to be making buffalo chicken empanadas. And we are having another one of the episodes where we're doing a hot sauce feature from a small batch, small local company. Today we have a hot sauce from Pandemic Polly Peppers. Kind of fits the time period that we're in, global pandemic around. And this is the Scorpion Peach Hot Sauce. When tasting this, it was actually very smoky. It wasn't something I was thinking of when I was thinking of peach, but I haven't really eaten many scorpion peppers before. So it's a very smoky flavor, but it has that cut of sweetness to help reduce the strength of heat. I'd say it's probably around a 4 out of 10 when it comes to heat. But it's really delicious, and the link to these guys' Instagram and all that stuff will be in the description of this video. So definitely go check them out. But yeah, really delicious hot sauce. It's going to be perfect for the empanada, so the flavor is going to be able to fight and bite through the dough. Because you want a hot sauce that has enough flavor so you can still taste it even though you have a thick dough, which can sometimes dilute the flavor of an empanada. So yeah, we're going to use this for our buffalo chicken. We're going to add some veggies in there, some cheese, and it's going to be nice, simple, easy recipe, and this is a hot sauce I'd recommend for it. So while our empanada dough is defrosting and we're going to have the onions cooking, we're going to just let this marinate in our sauce. Since the sauce is so good and has that nice peach and scorpion pepper flavor, you don't really need to add a whole lot to the chicken. One thing I'm going to be adding, just a little quarter teaspoon chili powder, quarter teaspoon black pepper, and then half a teaspoon of celery salt. So I'm going to be using celery salt instead of actual celery, just to get a little bit of taste of celery, because when you're having hot wings, you usually have some celery with it. So a little taste of that, and then we're gonna put some of this great sauce in here, mix it all up, and let it marinate in the fridge. Okay, so we're gonna keep this empanada really simple. We have our chicken and onion mix with already enough hot sauce to bite through, and cheese. That's all we're going to do. Keep it really simple. And we're going to give you a view overhead this time with folding the empanada to change it up from the last time. So I'm going to take a scoop, a couple scoops of our filling. Make sure not to overfill. Piece of chicken. That looks pretty good. Okay. Take some cheese. Okay. Then you're going to take the back and then hold in the meat like this just so it doesn't fall out. Fold it over like this and then push down. Okay, make sure nothing's sticking out. And then pinch together the bottom. And then we're going to make sure it's nice and closed with the fork. And we're going to pinch it down. And there we go. There's a perfect empanada. All right, just to do something a little different for these, we're going to do a little bit of an egg wash. Just make it, when it's cooked, a little extra crispy. And then add a little dash of paprika just for color.